invite you into my house so that I can teach you about using the pressure cooker. We're going to use a recipe that I use on my day off using chicken. In this recipe, we're going to use chicken, but you don't have to use chicken. You can use any kind of meat at all, but to make it convenient, and for today, we're just going to use chicken. So I've got chicken, I've got spices, I've got my vegetables, and I've got my broth. Very easy, simple way to make chicken for your whole week. You can slice it, dice it, shred it, then you throw it in your refrigerator, and when you're ready to use it, you just grab it and you start making whatever you want to make. So come on with me, and I'm going to show you how to make quick chicken using the pressure cooker. Guys, just while this is heating, I just wanted to let you know that you need to keep your pressure relief valve on closed. You don't want that steam coming out and being released. So make sure that is closed while it is going through this process. Okay guys, so it's still heating up before it starts to pressure cook. But I want you to be aware that it takes about 10 to 15 minutes for this to heat up. Okay, thanks. Our steam, you see our pressure release is closed and we need to open it, but never use your fingers to open this. I use a knife. And here we go, guys. So it's ready, and here we go. Now I just slice or dice or shred, depending on what I'm using the chicken for. And we are good to go for the week. Okay guys, so that's how we do it. Quick, easy chicken in the pressure cooker. Now we've got chicken for the entire week that we can use, and we've got broth that we can use, make a soup later. I use it in other recipes as well, but it was easy, right? Simple, except I just wanted to make sure you're aware, that actually took about 30 minutes. You'll see recipes for pressure cooker machines that say 10 minutes, 15 minutes. However, between prepping, heating up the actual machine, cooking the food, and then the pressure release, it's gonna take about 30 minutes total time to make this recipe. But it is quick, really, if you think about it, and then you can save it for the whole week and it's cooked chicken. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and we hope to see you soon because I'm thinking I'm doing one more of these. So thanks so much, you guys. Have a great day.